Welcome to Omni Eyes. Today we explore the ocean depths to uncover the incredible secrets of the mysterious sea urchin. Beneath the rolling waves lies a creature that defies our standard understanding of sight, living entirely without traditional central eyes. Instead of having eyes on a head, this spiky marine animal uses its entire physical form to perceive the world. Imagine a living being where every single inch of its outer shell functions as one giant, continuous, and unified retina. This is not science fiction. It is the remarkable biological reality of the sea urchin navigating the dark ocean floor. To understand this marvel, we must look closely at the intricate anatomy hidden beneath those sharp and intimidating protective spines. The secret lies within special light-sensitive proteins called opsins, which are generously scattered across the entire surface of bodies. These crucial proteins are highly concentrated in the tiny tube feet and the microscopic pincers, known scientifically as the pedicellariae. Each tiny receptor acts just like an individual pixel on a digital camera sensor, capturing small fragments of ambient light. While they cannot form sharp, detailed images, these biological pixels constantly gather vital information about their immediate underwater surrounding environments. This unique distributed visual system allows the creature to perfectly sense the exact direction and intensity of incoming light sources. When a sudden shadow falls across the ocean floor, the urchin instantly knows that a potential predator might be approaching. The creature reacts incredibly fast, pointing its sharp spines directly toward the perceived threat to defend its vulnerable inner body. It is a fascinating evolutionary adaptation that ensures their survival in a highly competitive and dangerous underwater marine ecosystem daily. Let us dive deeper into the molecular level to see exactly how these incredible photoreceptor proteins actually function in reality. When a photon of light strikes the opsin protein, it triggers a rapid chemical reaction that generates small electrical signals. This tiny electrical impulse travels through a complex network of nerves located just beneath the hard outer shell of animals. Because they lack a central brain, the nervous system processes these signals locally, allowing for immediate and decentralized physical reactions. Think of it as a highly advanced computer network, where every single node can make independent decisions based on data. This decentralized processing means the urchin can react to multiple threats simultaneously, from completely different directions, without any mental confusion. It is an elegant solution to the problem of surviving in an environment where danger can appear from any angle. The tube feet, which are primarily used for movement, also serve as hundreds of tiny eyes scanning the ocean floor. As the urchin slowly crawls over rocks and coral, these sensitive feet continuously adjust to the shifting patterns of light. The pedicellariae, tiny jaw-like structures between the spines, also contain high concentrations of these vital light-sensing opsin proteins. These structures not only help keep the shell clean, but also provide essential visual data to the distributed nervous network. Scientists have discovered that different species of sea urchins have varying degrees of visual resolution depending on their natural habitats. Urchins living in brightly lit shallow coral reefs often possess much denser clusters of photoreceptors compared to their deep cousins. The density of their spines also plays a crucial role in how they perceive the complex visual world surrounding them. Dense spines can act like a physical filter, blocking scattered light and dramatically improving the directional accuracy of unique vision. It is similar to how we might cup our hands around our eyes to reduce glare on a bright day. This biological screening mechanism ensures that light only reaches the sensitive tube feet from specific angles, enhancing overall spatial awareness. Imagine viewing the entire world through a dense forest of tall trees, where light and shadow constantly shift with movement. For the sea urchin, this shifting mosaic of light and dark is more than enough to navigate safely and survive. They primarily feed on algae, moving slowly across the rocks, guided entirely by the subtle changes in the surrounding light. When they detect a large dark shape approaching, their natural instinct is to immediately seek shelter in nearby deep crevices. This simple yet highly effective visual defense mechanism has allowed them to thrive in the vast oceans for millions of years. Their evolutionary success proves that you do not necessarily need a complex brain or standard eyes to perceive immediate environments. Nature always finds incredibly diverse and creative ways to solve the fundamental biological challenges of survival in harsh, unforgiving environments. Researchers are currently studying this unique whole-body vision system to inspire the development of new, decentralized optical robotic sensors. Imagine a robot covered in light-sensitive skin, capable of navigating complex environments without relying on a single central camera. This kind of biomimicry could completely revolutionize how we design autonomous machines for deep-sea exploration or distant space missions. The sea urchin reminds us that human perception is just one small variation in a vast spectrum of biological possibilities. We often take our sharp vision for granted, assuming it is the only valid way to truly see and understand. But for this simple creature, reality is a beautifully abstract painting, composed entirely of shifting shadows and varying light intensities. Every passing fish, every swaying piece of kelp, creates a dynamic visual symphony that plays continuously across its sensitive shell. Let us look closer at the tube feet, those fascinating little appendages that stretch out from the hard protective shell. Each tube foot is powered by a tiny hydraulic system, allowing it to extend and retract with surprising mechanical strength. At the very tip of each foot lies a small cluster of those crucial opsin proteins, constantly monitoring light levels. By extending these feet in different directions, the urchin effectively increases its overall field of view, gathering comprehensive visual data. It is a dynamic and interactive form of seeing, where movement and perception are completely intertwined and inseparable from each. If you gently wave your hand over a sea urchin in a tide pool, you will witness this amazing phenomenon. The sudden change in light intensity immediately triggers a localized response, causing the nearby spines to quickly point toward shadows. This rapid mechanical reaction is entirely automatic, bypassing any need for complex cognitive processing or higher-level brain function completely. It represents a perfect harmony between sensory input and motor output, streamlined by millions of years of rigorous natural selection. Interestingly, the color of the sea urchin can also affect how it absorbs and processes the incoming light from environments. Darker pigments in the shell might act to absorb excess scattered light, further enhancing the contrast and directional vision accuracy. This suggests that their physical appearance is not just for camouflage, but is fundamentally linked to their unique seeing method. As we explore deeper into the ocean, the ambient light becomes increasingly scarce, forcing deep-sea urchins to adapt vision. These deepwater species often have larger and more highly concentrated patches of photoreceptors to capture every single available photon. In the pitch-black abyss, even the faintest glimmer of bioluminescence from another creature can be detected by sensitive bodies. This allows them to avoid dangerous deep-sea predators or locate potential food sources in an environment completely devoid sunlight. The resilience and adaptability of this whole-body visual system are truly a testament to the incredible power of evolution. By studying these ancient and seemingly primitive animals, we gain profound insights into the fundamental origins of sight on Earth. It challenges our human-centric bias that sophisticated perception requires a centralized brain and highly specialized optical organs like eyes. The ocean is filled with mysteries, and the sea urchin stands out as one of its most uniquely adapted residents. Imagine the silent communication happening across its shell, a continuous flow of electrical signals interpreting the beautiful dance of shadows. They do not see the world as we do, but their perception is perfectly tailored to their slow, steady lifestyle. A world without sharp edges or clear colors, consisting entirely of shifting gradients of brightness, warning them of impending danger. This decentralized nervous system also means that if a part of their shell is damaged, the rest can perceive light. It is a highly robust and redundant biological design, ensuring that a minor injury does not completely blind entire organisms. Compare this to a human losing an eye, which instantly halves our field of vision and severely impacts depth perception. The sea urchin simply relies on the millions of other healthy photoreceptors distributed across its remaining intact shell to survive. This incredible redundancy is a key factor in their enduring survival through multiple mass extinction events throughout Earth's geological history. From the shallow sunlit reefs to the crushing depths of the abyssal plain, these creatures have mastered the perception art. Their entire body is a living, breathing eye, constantly watching, constantly sensing, and constantly reacting to the dynamic world around. It forces us to redefine what it truly means to see, expanding our understanding of biology and the consciousness nature. Can an animal without a brain be considered aware of its surroundings? Or is it merely executing complex automated reflexes? These deep philosophical questions arise naturally when we closely observe the sophisticated behaviors of such seemingly simple, brainless marine organisms. The boundary between simple reflex and true perception becomes delightfully blurred when we study the fascinating vision of sea urchins. Every single spine movement is a calculated response to a vast array of invisible light signals washing over round bodies. It is a masterpiece of natural engineering, utilizing minimal resources to achieve maximum survival efficiency in a highly competitive environment. As we continue to pollute and alter our oceans, we must remember the delicate sensory worlds of the living creatures. Changes in water clarity and artificial light pollution can severely disrupt the delicate visual systems of these amazing body seers. Protecting their natural habitats ensures that these incredible biological marvels can continue to thrive and inspire future generations of scientists. The next time you walk along a rocky shore, take a moment to appreciate the hidden complexity of humble urchins. Beneath that spiky exterior lies a sophisticated network of living sensors, quietly observing the world in a way we comprehend. They stand as silent sentinels of the deep, processing the shifting shadows of the ocean with their entire physical form. We have only just begun to scratch the surface of understanding how diverse and incredible animal perception can truly be. The sea urchin's whole body vision is a brilliant reminder that nature's solutions are often far more elegant than ours. It teaches us to look beyond the obvious and to appreciate the hidden wonders that exist right beneath ocean waves. As our journey into the biology of this magnificent creature concludes, we are left with a profound sense of awe. The universe is vast, but the microscopic wonders found within a simple sea urchin are equally breathtaking and worthy exploration. We hope this exploration has changed how you view these spiky inhabitants of the sea. In the magical sight nature, keep questioning the world around you, because every single living creature holds a unique and fascinating story waiting for discovery. There are countless more mysteries hiding in the deep blue ocean, and we will continue to uncover them together soon. Thank you for joining us on this incredible deep sea journey into the completely distributed mind of amazing sea urchins. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring the unknown universe with us here at Omni. Goodbye, and see you.